Thank you for joining me. I'm Lynn Koves of the Angel Capital Summit, and today I'm very happy to be with Mark Forsyth, CEO of Rocky Mountain Innovation Initiative. So what motivates you, Mark?
In my current job, what motivates me is the opportunity to every week get to talk to creative people who are passionate about solving problems for the world, sort of the definition of an entrepreneur, and it's wonderfully inspiring just to hear all of their stories and see the passion behind what they want to do and to be a part of helping them get there.
And how did you get started with the Rocky Mountain Innovation Initiative?
I've always loved technology. I was actually trained as an engineer and worked in a research and development organization, and that kind of gave me a passion for technology. And then combined with that, I've always had a passion for entrepreneurship. Even when I worked for a large corporation many years, I was often involved in new projects, new technologies, new organizations. So more recently, I've also developed a passion for doing some work for the community and been involved in a lot of community work. And then about 3 years ago, the opportunity came to me from the board of directors of the previous organization that this morphed into to take over leading it. And because it is a technology incubator, I was able to combine my passions for technology, entrepreneurship, and doing some good for the community all in one job. So it was a really natural fit, and I took the assignment, and I've really enjoyed it ever since.
And where do you see it going?
Well, my organization, the Rocky Mountain Innovation Initiative, works as part of a coalition in northern Colorado with the municipal governments, the universities, a number of entrepreneurial support groups. We're all working together on a common vision that we call the innovation economy, which is focused around 4 technology clusters: clean energy, bioscience, information technology, and more recently water technology. And we're taking a very long-term vision for economic development in this region to create jobs and economic growth by cultivating the growth of all 4 of those industries. So, our vision is to really see northern Colorado become internationally recognized as an innovation hotspot for those technology clusters.
In light of what you said, what type of entrepreneur would benefit from your partner group?
The type of entrepreneurs we serve primarily are those involved in innovation-based startup companies, and by that we mean people that are developing new products, processes, or technologies specifically. And I did mention the industry clusters we're focused on, but our initiative's open to any innovation-based business because they follow pretty much the same processes and have the same challenges in developing their businesses. And I guess the characteristic of these that's unique among entrepreneurs is that these type of business is that they're usually high risk. It takes multiple years to develop the product or process, so they need patient investors, and they need to have a lot of perseverance to get that product finally out to market. And it usually takes a lot of money to get it to that point, and a lot of resources and support. And we use our relationships with the university, the local governments, and all of the businesses we network with. We bring all of that to bear to help these companies. It really requires a huge array of services and networks of people to help these companies get through their first 3 or 4 years to where they're really launched and growing on their own.
Thank you for joining us. If you're interested in learning more about Mark's organization, please see the contact information below.